Let's take my lady to the founding affidavit and the we go to paragraph 495 of the founding affidavit. 495. That's it. I'll tell my lady in a moment. That is at well, it starts a bit before that. It's case line 001-205. So the first is what the commissioners did in their letter, which is at FA 74, and FA 74, my lady, is 74. So FA 74 is 001-887, and that is at case line 001-887. So recall, my lady, that this is a 2021 call by former TRC commissioners for a commission of inquiry. And at 001-888, at the foot of the page, under the heading, the need for a commission of inquiry, what the commissioners say is this: while some evidence has been uncovered in the Nkadi Meng and Rodriguez matters, the reasons behind the suppression of the cases are not known, and the sources of such interference remains opaque. It is not known if arrangements and agreements were struck with individuals and entities outside government. The full means by which the will of outsiders was imposed on the NPA and the SAPS is yet to be exposed. It is not known how institutions with firm constitutional and statutory obligations to uphold justice so easily abandoned their legal duties in respect of the TRC cases. In a nutshell, the TRC commissioners say a commission is necessary because we don't know the facts. And whatever we know is so opaque that we need a proper inquiry. That's what they say. Now, what they then do, I referred my lady to the founding affidavit. In the founding affidavit, what the commissioners did was they proposed terms of reference. And if our lady goes to 001-205, those are set out in the founding affidavit, paragraph 495. And what the applicants say is the commissioners attached to the letter, which I read out to my lady, draft terms of reference for the proposed commission. The proposed terms included the following suggested issues to be probed. And then they set out what, in fact, my lady will find out broadly is in the terms of reference of the Commission of Inquiry. But they ask whether and to what extent and by whom efforts or attempts were made through any form of persuasion or inducement for any purpose, advantage or gain of whatever nature to influence or pressure members of the NPA and or the SAPS to refrain or stop investigating